Load and the death toll is going up on this virus, and the state continues to prepare for the spike in cases. WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager went to search to expand our treatment capabilities. He found it at a location in downtown Baltimore.
In a bid to create more hospital beds, Governor Larry Hogan today visited the Baltimore Convention Center with plans to transform it into an emergency facility. 24 hours after announcing plans to add much-needed beds to treat an anticipated surge of coronavirus cases, Governor Larry Hogan arrived at the Baltimore Convention Center to get a first-hand look at converting the site for treatment.
FEMA is going to deliver the on a truck. We've already worked it out with the Convention Center logistics. They'll bring the truck down here. We'll unload the boxes.
The plan is to use the National Guard to help set up 250 beds in a set of pods in this barren 100,000 square foot of space, with an option to add more beds as needed. The state's current capacity of 10,000 beds throughout its hospital system may fall well short of what's needed during a surge in cases.
Ramping up 70% capacity in our hospital system with 6,000 beds is quite a huge undertaking. This is a big part of it.
The makeshift emergency facility here would take pressure off of hospitals and emergency rooms in the city, where only the most seriously ill would be transferred.
There are places around the country where they're looking at tents in field hospitals. This is certainly a much better scenario when you're into a beautifully climate-controlled facility like this with the ability to serve meals.
Plans are also underway to prepare to staff the center once it's up and running.
We're going to be reaching out to individuals across the state who perhaps are not working in their healthcare site anymore, ambulatory sites, ambulatory surgery centers, to see if they can come help us staff facilities like this where people are not as sick and yet still need care.
Another challenge is locating protective gear and ventilators, which are in short supply throughout the country. Even if Maryland can find the ventilators it needs to help supply the convention center, we're told by experts that they then need the expertise to run those machines. And those people, too, are not easy to find. Reporting in Baltimore, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.